Need to find WhatsApp users from thousands of phone numbers? In this video, I'll show you how to use WhatsApp Registered Pro to identify phone numbers that have already registered WhatsApp accounts. First, go to NumberCheck.ai and click Get Started. Sign into your account, or create a new account if this is your first time using NumberCheck. After logging in, you can view all available verification products on the platform. Before placing an order, check your account balance in the top right corner. If your balance is insufficient, click Top Up to purchase credits. Different plans are available depending on how many numbers you need to verify. After completing the top up, return to the product list and locate WhatsApp Registered Pro. Click Buy Now to open the WhatsApp verification page. Select the country or region that matches your phone number list. Upload your TXT or CSV file. Make sure each line contains one phone number. Click Start Detection to begin verification. Once the task is completed, open the results page to review the verification results. The exported file contains phone numbers that have been identified as registered WhatsApp accounts. You can download the results and use them for audience filtering, customer acquisition, or campaign preparation. Visit NumberCheck.ai to start your verification.